So I was told this was supposed to be a pretty decent show. Hopefully it turns out to be that way. We'll have to see when I get there. Another thing too is that I tried getting my friend Mike to come to this. My friend Mike has a 2000 Cobra R and a 2004 Celine Cobra. It's one of 3 black coupes, technically one of 2 left now because one of them's been wrecked. He can't come, his weekends are pretty busy, so I'm hoping next year, next spring or early summer, I'm hoping to do a couple videos on both of those cars, if he'll let me. He probably won't let me drive them, but if I could just go for a ride with him and get some footage and stuff like that, that would be cool. So we'll have to see about that for next year. Not too much of an intro for this. What I did want to ask you guys that are watching, I did pre-order a PS5. I know this is way off base, but you guys are interested in seeing a PS5 unboxing video and some PS5 gameplay throughout the winter time when the Cobra content's going to be a lot lighter than what it has been the past 2 months. So just let me know your opinion on that. And also I filmed a video of why I bought a Terminator Cobra over a GT350. It's 18 minutes long. It's just me sitting and talking about the differences between the 2 cars. I don't like doing really long videos. I like them to be a little bit shorter, like 10 minutes if I can, and definitely 15 minutes and under. But if you guys are interested in seeing that video, I'll put that out a little bit later on after the car's up for the winter. But I want the content to be engaging, and you guys want to be able to stay watching the whole video. And I feel as though the longer videos, people don't stick around. But let me know your thoughts on the PS5 stuff, the GT350 video, the Shelby video, compared to this, and let me know your thoughts on that. And I'll get down to the show. We'll get some footage. Hopefully it's a really awesome show. Thanks for everyone that's here, and I'll talk to you at the end. See ya.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you
Okay, so we're gonna start the drawing right now. We're doing a total of 5 drawings. The first one will be a Yankee Ford. So why is it so hard to let you go?
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
Well, that was a show. It turned out to be fairly decent. I mean, this was the first show that this car dealership did, and it was just a bunch of the employees that got together that wanted to put a show together. It was real quick notice for a lot of the people in the area, but I talked to the guy that I spoke with before when he told me about the show, and he said it's something that they plan on doing multiple times next year, like spring, summer, and fall kind of thing. Not as often as a Cars and Coffee, but kind of along those lines a little bit, but just not as often. There's a few nice Factory 5 cars there and some other nice stuff, so it wasn't too bad. That GT 500, the brand new one that they had there, that white one, that was a carbon fiber package, and they had a $97,000 MSRP sticker price on it. I'm not sure if there was any markup to go with that either, but first one that I've seen in person, absolutely beautiful car, but wow, are those things expensive, and especially with the markup, but way deeper than my pockets, that's for sure. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not sure how much of this is going to make it in there after I edit it. And if you see music overlaid, it's because they were playing music at the car show, and I don't want to get a copyright strike for that kind of stuff. So I may just turn the volume down on the video and throw in a music overlay instead. But let me know what you think about what I mentioned at the beginning about doing the PS5 unboxing and some gameplay stuff moving forward during the winter months and stuff like that. And let me know in the comments. So that'll be it for now, guys. Thanks for watching very much, and I'll see you next time.